Let's face it, the drone sound is one of the things that makes the bagpipes so unique, but their tuning and steadiness can also be one of our biggest headaches and sources of frustration. Today's Black Friday week daily flash deal is all about solving that. There's nothing better than the moment your drones lock in perfectly, creating that rich, full, room-filling sound. But when they're not settled, when they wander out of tune or they take too much air, it ruins your practice or performance. These days, we have some great options for drone reeds, and these days, a great drone sound is achievable and should not be a struggle. That's why Ezeedrones have been the world's best-selling drone reeds for a long time. They're known for being rock-solid stable, efficient, with a rich and steady tone right out of the box. They make your tuning faster, and they stay locked in. They're the most popular reeds by the top players in the world. Today only, you can get $15 off any set of Ezeedrone Reeds. We've got lots of great options for you. The classic time-tested regular set. We've got a set with an inverted bass drone reed. We have the set with increased moisture absorption. And my very favorite set of drone reeds that I've ever played, and by far the best-selling set that I've ever had in my shop, is the combination of drone reeds played by many of the world's top players. It's the newer style bass reed with the increased moisture absorption and the classic standard tenors. It's called the bagpipelessons.com exclusive Ezeedrone combo set, and it's made by Ezeedrone in Scotland exclusively for bagpipelessons.com. You can only get it from my shop. So find the set that's right for you. Enjoy a richer, steadier drone sound for your very next practice and performance. Choose your perfect drone reeds today. Check them all out at bagpipelessons.com/Ezeedrones. That's E-Z-E-E drones. And don't miss any of the amazing Black Friday week deals I have on some fantastic tools designed to help you upgrade your piping experience. Whether you're looking to improve your tone and tuning, work on your blowing, make those pipes easier to play and more comfortable, or upgrade something like your chanter reed, your drone reeds, or even get a new set of pipes, I've got you covered. Check it all out at bagpipelessons.com/Black Friday. Sign up for my email list in the link below to get notified when all these new daily deals go live. Check it all out and don't miss out. A better piping experience is waiting for you. Thanks and happy piping.